Good morning, dear children. Here again, I am going to continue the lesson 1.3 Half a Gift. So, previously, I taught you that Nick had more money than Joe, as Joe spent some of his earning on sweets. Joe bought a beautiful comb for his mother, and Nick didn't show his gift to Joe. Nick decided to give their gift at a certain moment. And on Mother's Day, when their mother ready to wash the floor, they brought their gift. And when the mother looked at Nick's gift, she became shocked and disappointed with Nick's gift because it was a scrub pail. She became very angry. Now Nick felt very bad on the reaction and he went out with the scrub pail. And Joe also ran after him. So that much I taught you in the previous video. Now I'm going to continue from the next paragraph. Nick was crying. I felt so bad and I too began to cry. On the way down we met father. Nick could not talk, so I explained. Here, when Nick ran down the stairs, then Joe also ran after him. Nick was crying. What Nick was doing? Nick was crying. I felt so bad. Who felt bad? Joe felt very bad because he was his brother. So he felt very bad. And he too began to cry. Means Joe also crying with Nick. On the way means on the stairs they met with father. They met with their father. Nick could not explain anything because Nick was crying. So I explained. Who explained? Joe explained everything to father. I will return it to the shopkeeper, said Nick, sobbing. I will return it. What he wanted to return it? He wanted to return it, the scrub pail, to shopkeeper, said Nick. Who said? Nick said, I will return it to shopkeeper. Sobbing, said Nick. Sobbing means in the crying way, means crying noisily. He said, I will return it to shopkeeper. Father took the pail and said formally, no, it's a fine gift, a wonderful gift. I should have thought it myself. Now, father took the pail. Took the pail means took the bucket of scrub pail and said firmly. Said firmly means strongly. Strongly he said, no, it's a fine gift means it's a wonderful gift. No need to change it. So I should have thought it myself. Father said, I should have thought means he also should thinking about this for mother. We all went upstairs again. Nick climbed very slowly. Inside the kitchen, mother was still scrubbing, slowly and sadly. Without a word, father soaked the puddle of dirty water up with the mop. Then, using the wringer on the bucket, he neatly squeezed it. Here, father and Joe and Nick, they all came back. Nick climbed very slowly, means Nick come up very slowly. Inside the kitchen, mother was still scrubbing. Inside the kitchen, mother was still scrubbing slowly and sadly. Mother was also feel sad because of the gift. Without a word, without saying anything, father what he did? Father soaked the puddle of dirty water up. Soaked means you can say observed. What? Puddle. Puddle means you can see the meaning here. Small pool of water. Small pool of water, like some water falling on the floor. So what he did? Father soaked the puddle, soaked the water of dirty water up with the mop. Then using the wringer I told you, a device of squeezing out water from cloth. So with the wringer on the bucket, he neatly squeezed it. Squeeze means press or compress the water from the cloth. Okay, so this father did. You did not let Nick explain himself, he said to mother with a smile. Part of his gift was that he himself was going to wash the floor from now on. He looked at Nick and said, "Isn't that so, Nick?" Here, when the father demonstrated all the things, and he said to mother, what he said? "You did not let Nick explain himself." Father said to mother, "You did not let Nick explain himself what he wanted to say." Means why he bought this, what is the use of this, and how it is used. So this father said to mother with a smile. Part of his gift was that. Now father is saying the part of his gift was that he himself was going to wash the floor from now on. Means from now on, from today onward, he will do this work. Who? Nick. He looked at Nick. Who looked at Nick? Father looked at Nick and said, "Isn't that so, Nick?" Means just showing, "Isn't that so, Nick?" With a flush of shame, Nick understood the lesson. "Yes, oh yes," he said in a low tone. When the father said or asking, "Is it that so, Nick?" then he understood. Nick understood what his father wanted to say. So he said, "Yes, oh yes." He said in a low tone, but he said in a low tone, means low voice. He said, "Yes, oh yes," he said. Mother was full of regret. She looked at Nick with love and said, "It is too heavy work for a 14 years old boy." Now mother was full of regret, means their mother felt very sorry. She looked at Nick. She looked at Nick with love and said, "It is too heavy work. This work is too heavy for a small boy." Means for a 14 years old boy, it is very heavy work for him. Mother said to father. Now, you can see the meaning here. Broke, puddle, soaked, up, regret. Now come to the next page. Only now did I realize how smart father was. "Ah," he said cleverly, "not with this wonderful scrub pail and the wringer. It's much easier. Your hands stay clean and your knees don't hurt." Means now what happened? Father showed everything, demonstrated, and said Nick was going to do this work from now on. And now I realize. Who realized? Joe realized how smart father was. Smart means clever, intelligent. Okay. So Joe is saying, now I realize how smart father was. How smart? His own, he said. He said cleverly. What he said? "Not with this wonderful scrub pail and the wringer. It's much easier." His father said, "It's much easier." Not only about the scrub pail, also he said, "It's much easier. Your hands stay clean." Means he was just adding the some word, these word also, that your hands stay clean and your knees don't hurt. This father told to mother. Okay. And then father demonstrated quickly. Now the father demonstrated quickly. Demonstrated means, you can see the meaning, show by doing how something work. Okay. So the father demonstrated quickly. Mother looked lovingly at Nick and said, "Ah, how stupid a woman can become." She kissed Nick and he felt better. Then they turned to me. Now when the father demonstrated all the things, how it works, mother looked lovingly at Nick. Now mother looked lovingly at Nick. And she felt how stupid a woman how stupid a woman she felt for herself. She kissed Nick. Now the mother kissed the Nick and he felt better. Now he felt better. Who felt better? Nick felt better because his mother kissed him. Then they turned to me. Then they turned to me. Who is saying? Joe is saying. Now they turn to me. Now they are going to ask me. "What is your gift?" Father asked. Now father asked, "What is your gift?" Nick looked at me and turned pale. He knew that my gift was a comb with shining stones that looked like diamonds. It would make the scrub pail again just a scrub pail. Here, when mother kissed Nick, now he felt better. Then what happened? They turned to Joe and father asked, "What is your gift?" Nick looked at me. Nick looked at Joe and Nick's face became pale, means in fear or in shock, because he knew what he knew. He knew that Joe's gift was a beautiful comb with shining stone that looked like diamond. It would make the scrub pail again just a scrub pail. Means if Joe showed his gift to mother, again his scrub pail become just a scrub pail. Means again it will become worthless. That he was thinking, that Nick was thinking. "Yes, Joe, what is your gift?" mother asked eagerly. Then mother also asked, "Yes, Joe, what is your gift?" she asked eagerly. Eagerly means very desiredly she asked. "Half the scrub pail," I said sadly. What he said? "Half the scrub pail," I said sadly. Nick looked at me with love in his eyes. Now what happened? When mother asked, "What is your gift?" and father asked to Joe, now Joe said, Joe understood what Nick was thinking, so he said, "Half the scrub pail." Means they both are giving the same gift together. But Joe had this gift. This gift he kept in his pocket, a beautiful comb, but he didn't show to mother. Because we all know that ladies are always preferring ornaments. So if Joe showed his gift to mother, then again his scrub pail become just a scrub pail. That's why, because of love, Joe did for his brother. Here you can see the bond of love between two brothers. For his brother only, Joe did this. Understood? I hope you understand the story and like the story. So now I'm going to end this video.